Hi, everyone. Welcome to episode 18.
Today, we're talking about goals.
Goals, motivation, and progress.
And today, Ben has a very strange goal.
Of course he does.
My goal is to become a morning person.
Ben, that is the biggest challenge of your life.
I know.
Let's talk about it. Imagine this. You want to improve your life.
You make a plan.
You set a goal.
But after 3 days, you stop.
That happens to everyone.
Quick question. What is one goal you have right now?
Think about it. Today, you will learn how to talk about goals in English.
Words like achieve, challenge, focus, and progress.
You'll learn how to describe success and failure.
And you'll feel motivated to keep going step by step. Ben, I want to change my life.
Oh, wow, very serious.
Yes, I have a goal.
Okay, what is it?
My goal is to wake up at 6 a.m. every day.
Ben, that is ambitious.
I know, it's a challenge.
Why do you want that?
Because successful people wake up early.
Or they just drink coffee?
No, Emma, this is about discipline.
Okay, Mr. Motivation.
I made a plan.
Let's hear it.
Step 1, sleep early.
Good.
Step 2, no phone at night.
Impossible.
Step 3, wake up and exercise.
Ben, you don't even like exercise.
I know, but I want to improve.
That's the spirit.
Yesterday, I tried.
And
I failed.
that was fast.
My alarm rang, I turned it off.
Classic failure.
But today, I will make more effort.
That's good. Progress is not perfect.
Progress is step by step.
Exactly. You focus on small habits.
Habit number 1, stand up.
Great start.
What about your goals, Emma?
My goal is to learn a new skill this year.
Like what?
Maybe photography.
Sounds cool.
It will take effort and practice.
But you will achieve it.
Yes, and if I fail, I try again.
Success is trying again.
Exactly.
Okay, tomorrow I wake up at 6.
I believe in you,
Thank you.
but I'm not waking up with you.
Fair.
Now, let's learn the key vocabulary. Word 1, goal.
Meaning, something you want to achieve.
Example, my goal is to speak English fluently.
Your turn. Say my goal is.
Word 2, plan.
Meaning, steps to do something.
Example, I have a plan to study every day.
Your turn. Say I have a plan.
Word 3, achieve.
Meaning, succeed in reaching a goal.
Example, I want to achieve my goal.
Your turn. Say achieve.
Word 4, challenge.
Meaning, something difficult but possible.
Example, learning English is a challenge.
Your turn. Say it's a challenge.
Word 5, focus.
Meaning, pay attention and work seriously.
Example, I need to focus on studying.
Your turn. Say focus.
Word 6, habit.
Meaning, something you do regularly.
Example, reading is a good habit.
Your turn. Say habit.
Word 7, improve.
Meaning, get better.
Example, I want to improve my listening.
Your turn. Say improve.
Word 8, success.
Meaning, achieving something good.
Example, Success takes time.
Your turn. Say success,
Word 9. Failure.
meaning not succeeding.
Example. Failure is part of learning.
Your turn. Say failure,
Word 10. Effort.
meaning hard work.
Example. You need effort to improve.
Your turn. Say effort,
Word 11. Step by step.
meaning little by little.
Example. Progress happens step by step.
Your turn. Say step by step,
Word 12. Progress.
meaning improvement over time.
Example. I see progress in my English.
Your turn. Say progress.
Today's grammar focus is talking about goals with want to and going to.
Pattern 1. I want to. Example. I want to achieve my goal.
Pattern 2. I'm going to. Example. I'm going to wake up early tomorrow.
5 examples. 1. I want to improve my habits.
2. I want to focus more.
3. I'm going to exercise tomorrow.
4. I'm going to study step by step.
5. I want to make progress.
2 common mistakes.
Mistake 1. I going to study.
Correction. I'm going to study.
Mistake 2. I want achieve.
Correction. I want to achieve. Sentence 1. My goal is to improve. Slow. My goal is to improve.
Medium. My goal is to improve.
Natural. My goal is to improve.
2. It's a challenge. Slow. It's a challenge.
Medium. It's a challenge.
Natural. It's a challenge.
3. I'm going to focus. Slow. I'm going to focus.
Medium. I'm going to focus.
Natural. I'm gonna focus.
4. Progress is step by step. Slow. Progress is step by step.
Medium. Progress is step by step.
Natural. Progress is step by step.
5. Failure is part of learning. Slow. Failure is part of learning.
Medium. Failure is part of learning.
Natural. Failure is part of learning.
6. You need effort. Slow. You need effort.
Medium. You need effort.
Natural. You need effort.
7. I want to achieve success. Slow. I want to achieve success.
Medium. I want to achieve success.
Natural. I want to achieve success.
8. I'm going to try again. Slow. I'm going to try again.
Medium. I'm going to try again.
Natural. I'm gonna try again.
Your turn. Answer after the pause.
What is your goal right now?
Sample. My goal is to improve my English. Say one challenge in your life.
Sample. Waking up early is a challenge.
Say one habit you want to build.
Sample. I want to build a reading habit.
Say something you're going to do tomorrow.
Sample. I'm going to study.
Say, progress is step by step. Question 1. What is a goal?
Answer. Something you want to achieve.
Question 2. What does effort mean?
Answer. Hard work.
Question 3. Complete. I want blank improve.
Answer. 2.
Question 4. What is the opposite of success?
Answer. Failure.
Question 5. What does step by step mean?
Answer. Little by little.
Your mission today is say one goal out loud in English.
Record yourself saying, My goal is to.
I want to achieve.
I'm going to.
Practice slow, medium, natural.
Great job today.
You can now talk about goals and motivation.
Episode 19 will be about travel and airports,
Get your suitcase ready.
and maybe your passport.
See you next time.
Take care.